When it comes to protein timing, there are so many different perspectives on the internet, especially on YouTube, and I feel like most of them are actually tailored to international recipes, and very few are tailored to African regions as well.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with
when it comes to protein foods, these are very necessary, especially when you're trying to gain weight or add mass. When looking to gain weight, we have to actually address a few things and understand exactly why we need protein foods. Well, protein is one of the macronutrients your body needs to function, and it is very important that your body actually has protein. Protein is the most important of the three macronutrients, which consist of fats and carbohydrates. So we have proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and protein is very important for your body. And if you're trying to gain weight, then there is no two ways about it. You need protein in your system. I know that the highest sources of protein you see on the internet is quinoa. You're going to see quinoa, lentils, you're going to see macadamia nuts, you're going to see all of that. But these sources are not easily found in African regions, which is why I'm making this video to actually share with you guys the proteins you can take around you and how they can help you. The first protein you could find around you on my list is chicken breast. I know you probably guessed that, but yes, chicken breast is really nice, and it's just like the chicken breast, so it's just like the breast of the chicken. So it's a really great source of protein, and trust me, you want to key into chicken breast and you want to take that, especially if you're looking to gain weight. The second source of protein I'm going to talk about is eggs. Eggs are really an amazing source of protein. If you're looking to gain weight or you're looking for more protein sources, then eggs are what you need to go for. Make sure you stay with me to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you guys 3 bonus protein foods that could actually help you gain more mass. So don't skip this video. The next on my list is yogurt, Greek yogurt. You could go for Greek yogurt, and I'm going to make a video showing you guys how to make Greek yogurt in the future. So if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? And so Greek yogurt is another really great source of protein. You could just use that when trying to add more mass. The fourth source I'm going to talk about are pumpkin seeds. I know pumpkin seeds are not easily found around. You have to order online most times, and if you want to find it online, you have to really know your market. Another source of protein is actually cheese. I know we don't really see cheese around here, but if you go into the malls, you're going to find cheese. In supermarkets, you'll be able to find cheese. Cottage cheese actually contains higher amounts of protein, and I think you could actually use that when trying to gain weight. Another source we could talk about is fish. Really great source of fats as well, and you could actually use that when trying to gain weight, and it will actually help you. Another great source of protein is beans, and I probably think you were waiting for that. Beans is a very great source of protein. You could actually use that as well when trying to gain more weight. These are protein foods that would actually help you see results, okay? And when you want to talk about foods like fats, because you have to incorporate fats as well, and I've made a video. In this video I show you guys how to calculate this macronutrients according to your body weight, so that you can actually start seeing results. So yeah, you want to actually do that in order to be able to see the results you're looking for, okay? Peanut butter is a very good source of protein as well. Actually, nuts in general are a very great source of protein. Those are almonds, walnuts, and you can just have that, but I would recommend peanut butter from experience, okay? So now moving on to the bonus 3 foods I said I was going to give you at the end of this video. The first one I'm going to talk about is soya beans, okay? Soya beans is really nice. You can make soya milk, you can make soya powder, you could just use it for recipes, and it's just an amazing source of protein, and it's actually a very great source of protein. So I feel like you want to gain weight, you could actually do that. You could check this video for how to make soya powder. You could also check for how to use soya bean on my channel. There are videos, smoothies I have used soya bean powder to make. You could always try those out. The second one is actually pasta. Pasta has a great amount of carbohydrate, but it also has an amount of protein. So if you want to actually try to take more pasta, and when I talk about pasta, in case you don't know what I'm talking about spaghetti, I'm talking about macaroni, I'm talking about noodles. Pasta is actually really good when it comes to gaining weight. The third food I'm going to talk about is turkey. you want to eat a lot of turkey, and if you can't access turkey, you could always eat some chicken breast like I said. But turkey is also a very great source of protein. So these foods I have listed in this video, as short as they might be, are actually foods you could actually use to gain weight. They are foods I use to gain weight. Like I told you guys on my channel, I will not bring things I have not tried, and so when I talk about these things, they are because I have to use them. And you could actually check my past videos and you would notice the difference, and you would see that I have actually gained weight and I am gaining weight. So yeah, my blueprint is actually effective. And if you want to gain weight in 2024, you need to subscribe to the channel so that you can get the motivation and keep going. I'm going to bring more videos to you guys with the coming week, so you want to stay subscribed to the channel. Turn on your post notification button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you're an old subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for the constant support. And I have not forgotten about my giveaway. You guys need to get at least 20 comments to this video so that I can commence the giveaway. And if I actually get 20 comments, I might increase the number of people for the giveaway. So guys, please check this video out and comment below. We cannot have a proteins food video without talking about whey protein. Whey protein is a very great source of protein. Actually, it's like the best source of protein, and people that have capital and are looking to invest in their weight gain, I would always recommend you go for whey protein. You can always buy it, and there are different types, so you could actually try it out. It will actually help you get to your goals faster. I think you could actually substitute buying multivitamins with actually taking whey protein, and doing some workouts. It will actually help you in gaining more weight. There's a lot about protein you need to know, especially if you're trying to gain weight. Protein should be your friend as much as carbohydrates. You don't necessarily need protein shakes before or after your workouts, but it's something that you should be able to balance out. Okay, so yeah, let's get this body, and I am more than excited to show you guys all I have in store in my coming videos. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope I see you all in my next video. Bye for now.